Hey guys, I'm back with sort of a different video. Today I'm going to be showing you how I fixed my favorite pair of Fashion Nova jeans when the zipper broke off at work. Like I was having a crisis. Anyways, so here is the little zipper. I'm going to pry it open on both sides because it was very tight and closed. There was no way I was going to be able to put that back on. It was too tight. So I'm going to open both sides a little bit. Okay, so now I'm going to unbutton these and show you guys what I have going on down here. So I went ahead and I cut out one of the little zipper parts so I could start a new track. You can see right there. I cut out a couple actually. Don't judge me. You can't even tell. But I'm going to go ahead and put that on there to basically start a new track as if I'm just going to regularly zip it up. So I'm just putting this on here as if it's fine, and I'm gonna zip it up as if this is where it starts, and then should be looking like that. And then what I'm gonna do now is take some pliers and tighten the zipper back up so that it'll stay on track and not be too loose. You'll kind of hear it click, so you shouldn't, it's kind of common sense, I guess. Don't tighten it too much, but you just want to tighten it a little bit on both sides. And then zip up your jeans. As Dirk would say. And yeah, here they are. It looks brand new. You can't even tell where I cut the track and how there's a little bit that's not zipped up.